Welcome to InArch, the co-pilot on your training journey. Learn in the flow of work as you navigate the Arch Retail Suite. Start by logging in. From here, you can search a topic or question. Just browsing? Explore all our courses. Our quick learning contains short videos and infographics for fast insights. Here you can find all core topics, a collection of tutorials on the essence of Arch Retail, a bootcamp of your must-know info. Check new functionalities, the latest updates on our product offerings. Or browse the full Arch suite, explore tutorials on some of our other products, such as eStore, Arch Mobile. Under full courses you'll find comprehensive learning for those who'd like to reach a little deeper into our system. Just choose your product offering and access step-by-step comprehensive content. Trending Searches answers our users' most frequently logged questions about Arch. We're responsive to your needs. For convenience, check Recently Accessed to see the courses you've recently visited.